Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to easily add a profile photo in Telegram on your PC. A profile photo helps you personalize your Telegram experience and allows others to recognize you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Click on the lines icon at the top left of the page. Step 3. Now, click on Settings. Step 4. Next, select My Account. Step 5. Click on the camera icon on your profile photo. Step 6. Choose your photo type. You can either add a saved photo or take a new one. For adding a saved photo, click on File, navigate to choose your photo, and click on Open. If desired, you can edit the photo by adding effects, rotating it, or making other choices. Once you're satisfied, click on Set Photo. If you change your mind and want to add another photo, simply click on Cancel. If you want to take a new photo, click on Take a Photo. Take the photo using your PC's camera. Click on Set Photo. If you change your mind and want to add another photo, just click on Cancel. Adding a profile photo in Telegram on your PC is as simple as that. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Happy messaging on Telegram.